Don't want to go to the lab to access CSB SJU academic-specific software? Would you like to work from your room and still have a similar experience as you would in a physical computer lab? Instead, use the Virtual Computer Lab. Virtual Computer Lab is built around the industry-leading VMware software. The Virtual Computer Lab allows you to access most of CSB SJU's lab resources anywhere on or off campus. The Virtual Computer Lab is designed to help students and staff have access to lab resources through any internet connection. You can connect using any mobile device including Apple, Android, or Windows, or any personal computing device such as a desktop, a laptop, or a tablet. In addition to accessing academic-specific software, the Virtual Computer Lab gives access to Map Network drives and OneDrive. To get started, you can visit csbsju.edu/VL. Follow the instructions on installing and setting up the Virtual Computer Lab to your desired device. After installing, enjoy the simplicity of the Virtual Computer Lab. If you would like more information or assistance, please contact the IT Services Help Desk at 320-363-2228 or send an email to helpdesk@csbsju.edu.